I welcome you to this part. Okay, so we are going to start looking at the assembly constants. Okay, so there are several directives provided by NASIM that define constants. Okay, so we have already used the equal directive in previous parts. Okay, this one right here, we have already used it in previous parts, and we will particularly discuss three directives. Okay, the EQ, which is this one, the equal, you can call it, I like calling it equal, okay, but you can call it the EQ like that. And then we have another one called assign, or you can call it percentage assign, okay, but it's better to call it assign, okay. And we have another one called define, okay, and you can call it percentage define, okay. But as I told you, you are free to call it define, okay, like that, and leave out the percentage in your brain, okay. Don't speak it out, just leave it there as long as you know it, okay. They won't say that you are selfish, okay. Just say assign define, okay. You are not selfish if you say that, okay. But make sure you don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Help this channel grow, guys. Help it grow, okay. So yeah, so in the next part we shall take a look at the equal directive, okay.